As a journalist working in the community, you come face to face with a lot of harms that New Zealand faces on a day-to-day basis, from drunken crashes to court cases, to violence, to murders. So my name's Matt Shand. I'm a former investigative reporter. Now I'm employed with the Helen Clark Foundation in partnership with the Mass Foundation and Health Coalition Aotearoa to research into public health harms that affect New Zealand. It's almost like being a journalist. You're looking at a topic and taking that investigative lens to it. New Zealand has a very interesting drinking culture, as in that we tend to have very heavy drinking sessions. We've noticed that a lot of it is coming from the form of cheap alcohol. So your small premixes, your RTDs. Some of the police officers I've been dealing with refer to those types of drinks as court cases in a can. I mean, that's sort of how normalised it's become, that this is just run-of-the-mill stuff for them. Ultimately, all communities are affected by alcohol harm in some way, which the research shows. However, when it comes to direct harm, we've noticed in statistics a much higher prevalence of alcohol harm in Māori communities and also lower socio-economic areas as well. One of the most shocking things that I discovered very early on in my research work with the Helen Clark Foundation was to sort of quantify the monetary amount that alcohol was actually costing, and we managed to discover that $636,000 every day is required to cover the costs of drink driving crashes. So some changes that we can make to alcohol is the idea of one, reducing the availability and accessibility of alcohol. Another mechanism available is to increase, say, an excise tax to make cheaper alcohol less affordable. The third mechanism, and one that has gained a lot of political traction right now, is the removal of alcohol sponsorship to sort of denormalise alcohol. So it's not about prohibition or anything like that, it's just about us recognising that we have issues and we have a culture of drinking harmfully, and if we can get rid of that through various means, then we're all going to have a better New Zealand.